In this lesson, we'll explore the Wildcard Search in Keyword Explorer. Let's get started. The Wildcard Search is an advanced operator in Keyword Explorer. It enables you to maximize your search when you try to find keywords with specific intents from a very general seed keyword. The Wildcard Search feature works exactly like Google's Wildcard operator, which is characterized by the use of an asterisk. The asterisk symbol represents a word. It instructs Google to search for words to substitute the asterisk with by using proximity searches. For example, if I type how to *quora, Google suggests various popular words that people have typed after the words how to and before the word quora when using this particular sentence. And yes, this is a great way to discover keywords to target. And just so you know, the asterisk can be placed anywhere in the sentence. Okay, let's create a new search. To create a new wildcard search, remember to switch to the Wildcard tab before performing your search. And remember also that you must add at least one asterisk to your search. I'm going to type how to *popcorn. As with the other tabs, you can choose from over 45 different languages and run your search in a multitude of demographics. Let's click Search. As you can see, Google suggests various potential replacements for the wildcard based on real user searches. This is a great technique to use when you try to discover what people are searching for in relation to services or products, and a great source of content ideas. If you're unsure about any element on your screen, you can switch to textbook mode to see a definition whenever you hover over any underlined text. Detailed explanations and use cases are included in the Learning Hub in the top right of your screen. Don't forget to check those out. The keyword data table is a complete list of keyword variations of the seed, with the asterisk replaced by words or phrases to form complete search terms. The results table has 4 tabs, the default, total tab, and 3 other categories to help group the data in a useful way: exact match, almost match, and similar match. The total tab shows all the variations of your search term and their related metrics. The exact match tab contains keyword phrases that include your keyword in the exact order they are written. As you can see in my results, the asterisk has been replaced with popular keywords, but the sentence structure is intact. The almost match tab contains keyword phrases that include your keyword in any order. In these results, the asterisk has been replaced to fit various popular search terms which include additional words in the sentence. The similar tab contains the related keywords that users have also searched for alongside your keyword. This tab can help you discover great related terms to target. Below the tabs, you have a set of filters to help you organize your results. And as with the other tabs, you can click a keyword to expand it and access detailed metrics. To learn more about these metrics and filters, you can check out the lesson on basic filters, keyword metrics, and basic filter set. Now let's look at some practical use cases to see exactly how we can use the Wildcard Search. But before we do that, let's just go over the benefits of this type of search. You can use it to get inspiration on topic ideas that you may not have thought of. For example, in my similar tab, I have the search term "How is popcorn made?" pulling in a decent 3,600 visits per month. Using the wildcard can also help you stay up to date with new and surging customer insights by seeing all the popular words and phrases that could replace your asterisks. Remember, search is not about what people find, it's how people think. So a good SEO practice is to update your keyword lists with wildcard searches to help you find good opportunities and stay competitive. Now let's get to those use cases. We can combine the wildcard search with WriterZen's golden filter and the keyword clustering function to build a well-rounded content plan. This combination provides you with a broad range of keywords that cover all the search intents from a sales funnel perspective. That is bofu, mofu, and tofu. On that note, if you want to learn more about bofu, mofu, and tofu, do check out the link to the article. So back to the intents we can capture. These include how-to and informational searches, for which you can build articles to nurture leads. Consideration stage searches, where the target audience wants to compare between options and consider where to buy, etc. And the ready-to-buy searches at the bottom of the funnel, for which you can create in-depth knowledge content and offers. Creating this broad range of content and using internal linking effectively can really boost your topical authority, both to your pillar page and your site overall. Let's run through an example. In my How to Toyota Camry search, I already activated the golden filter to identify keywords with the best potential to rank. To learn more about WriterZen's golden filter, check out the video on your screen. I also ran the cluster function to group my keyword list. If you need a refresher on keyword clustering, check out the video on your screen. So in my How to Toyota Camry keyword cluster, I have a group of keywords that I can serve with how-to knowledge type content. These belong to the bofu and tofu stage. When users searching for information gain some knowledge, they naturally move on to the consideration stage, which is the mofu part of the sales funnel. I can serve those users with comparison articles, for which I have a group of keywords in my Toyota Camry versus asterisk cluster. Now imagine you're a local business who wants to generate more leads and sales from search engines. First, you need to find and optimize your geo-targeting keyword list. The goal here is to find other locations within your reach that you could optimize for. Here's how to do that. If I was a plumber in Manchester in the UK, I would run a wildcard search for a plumber in my location. It would look something like this. Google returns various towns inside the Manchester area that would be within my range. I could create new content targeting each of these towns, or I could re-optimize existing content on my site to do so. That's the wildcard search and the various benefits it provides. Do jump in and create some new wildcard searches of your own to see how many new search terms you could go after to boost your traffic.